3 really cool things you can do in the Notes app on your iPhone. 1. Organize a note with sections and headings. I'm going to use my finger to double click to highlight and drag my finger across to highlight all of it. Select my big A, little a, and make this a subheading. I can collapse it. I can collapse that. So you can create different outline sections within your notes. You can begin with the big A, little a, and let's say I have a heading here, reason 2. This heading is now matching this. So I'd like to switch that, double click, highlight, go back, and make that a subheading. 2. Add formatting, checklists, and tables. I'd like this to be a bulleted list. Highlight this here and select the A, and then I could have a bulleted list. I can color code this list if I select the name, and I can color code this family. I am going to use the checklist format here. And as I'm grocery shopping, I can check off the list, select this table icon here. It'll automatically give me 2 rows and 2 columns. I need there to be more rows. Select the 3 dots here, add a row, and I need more columns. So I'm going to select the 3 dots up here, add a column. 3. Record live audio and transcribe it. Select the paperclip icon right here and then select record audio. Select the red dot to record your note. You can rename it up here. When you're done, you will select done on the bottom right hand corner. Your note will look like this. When you're ready to get the transcript, go into your recording at the top right, select the 3 dots, and then add transcript to note, and you have that here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I'll see you in the next video.